Well, today a new way to get you to take public transportation will be unveiled at Austin City Hall.
Yeah, and you could see it at your work one day. Kate Whiteout got an early preview. She's live at City Hall with the details. Good morning, Kate.
Good morning. Well, when somebody says, why don't you take public transportation, you might think to yourself, well, what should I take? Where can I find it? That's why today Austin Mayor Steve Adler is going to be unveiling what's called Transit Screen. Essentially, it's a TV that's going to be outside here in the courtyard area as well as inside the lobby here at City Hall. And what it does is provide real-time data on what public transportation options are available. For example, it will let you know a car to go is available and is about 1 minute walk away, or a bike share station is less than a 1 minute walk away, and there are even 7 bikes available. Even the Capital Metro buses that arrive near City Hall will be listed. City transportation officials found commuters to City Hall were not taking these options because they didn't want to take the time to go and hunt down what was available.
In about 6 months or so, we're going to send out another survey again to see if they changed their behavior and also see if did they notice Transit Screen, did it educate them, did they start taking midday trips with different options, or did they come in and leave from work with different options.
And this Transit Screen is right now used in 33 other major cities. And the goal is to not only have it here at City Hall, but then encourage maybe some residential and commercial buildings in downtown to put these screens up in their buildings as well. Now, the cost of the city is $5,000 for the year. And what they wanted to do was find a high-tech, low-cost solution to try to encourage more people to take public transportation as they do their multi-million-dollar roadway improvements throughout the area. Of course, we'll keep you posted if it works. For now, we're live at City Hall. Kate Whiteout, KXAN News.